Hi, I'm Mitch, and I'm from Alberta, Canada, and I recently purchased the LeafFilter system. Was introduced to it at the local fair, and he explained it very well to me. And then within a few weeks, somebody came to my house to show me what it's all about even better and explain it to me in the financing and everything. And that was great. And then within a few days, buddy came and installed it, and he took about 2 days. And he was super friendly. Everyone I dealt with was super friendly. And the financing was very good. They give you a year, zero financing, so that's pretty cool. Paid off first though. And the whole system was great. I did have a small leak, but they came and repaired that within 10 minutes, and it's working great now. So I'd highly recommend this to my family and my neighbors, and especially older people who may not have the ability to get up on their roof. This is a much safer system, and it's a lot easier, hassle-free.